Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a playlist in the SoundCloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the library button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the playlist button. And as you can see, here you will find your playlists. So just click on the one that you want to delete. And then click on the three dots at the left side of the page. And then click on the delete playlist. And then confirm it. And it is gone. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.